Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to lower a Jeep Patriot step by step. Start by measuring stock ride height, then choose a lowering method like springs, coilovers, or spacers. Gather tools: jack, stands, torque wrench, spring compressor, and alignment tools. Work on one corner at a time, release tension carefully, replace components, and torque to factory specs. Finish with a professional alignment and test drive to confirm handling and clearance. Identify compatible lowering springs, coilovers, or spacers specific to the Jeep Patriot. Inspect struts, control arms, and sway bar links for wear and replacement needs. Compare spring rates and drop amounts to balance ride comfort with handling. Plan for alignment, specs after installation to prevent uneven tire wear. Verify torque specs for all suspension fasteners, and prepare a clean workspace with adequate lighting and a parts tray for organization today. Quick recommendation: if this video helped, please subscribe and like to support more how-to content. On another note, the product shown is the Kindle Paperwhite, great for reading manuals and offline guides in the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can find it. I appreciate your support and comments. Now let's get back to the video. A quick tip: a small LED work light pairs well with it for night garage sessions. Lift vehicle securely and remove wheel to expose suspension components. Compress springs carefully and remove strut assembly following service manual steps. Install new lowering components ensuring correct orientation and replace worn hardware with new parts. Reassemble, torque fasteners to specified values, and repeat for each corner consistently. Lower vehicle, check ride height, and make incremental adjustments if using adjustable coilovers before scheduling alignment. Test brakes and steering, feel carefully after the first short drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.